If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need jars, crepe paper in purple, orange, green and white, pipe cleaners in white, green and silver, PVA glue, paint brushes, googly eyes, glue dots, black acrylic paint, cool melt glue gun and glue sticks, black card, twine, templates, find the download link in the video description, LED tea lights, scissors and a pencil. Start by applying crepe paper to your jars using PVA glue and a paintbrush. We covered one jar in green crepe paper, a second in orange, a third in white and a fourth in purple. Leave the jars to dry. To create the pumpkin design, use black paint to add eyes and a mouth using the templates as a guide. To make the pumpkin's leaves, wrap a light and dark green pipe cleaner around a pencil, then gently slide them off. Place to one side. For the mummy, cut 2 cm strips of white crepe paper approximately 40 cm long to create bandages. Wrap the first bandage around the base of the jar, securing the ends with a little PVA glue. Attach 2 different sized googly eyes using a cool melt glue gun. Then apply the second bandage. Next, make the arms. To do this, attach 2 white pipe cleaners together with a small twist. Then make a loop on each end and press into hands. Wrap the arms around the jar with the hands facing forwards. Glue extra pieces of bandage over the pipe cleaners to secure them in place on the back of the jar. To create the bat design, take the jar wrapped in purple crepe paper and use black paint to add the bat's face using the template as a guide. You could even use a white Posca pen to create the bat's fangs. Using the template, cut 2 bat wings from black card. Fold back the flat side of the wing slightly to create a tab. Add glue along the tabs and secure the wings either side of the jar. For the Frankenstein design, use the template and black paint to add facial features. Snip a silver tinsel pipe cleaner in half and roll it up from one end, leaving a small tail unwrapped. This creates the bolts that stick out of the Frankenstein's neck. Secure the bolts to the jars with a cool melt glue gun. Why not paint the lids of the jars black for an extra spooky finish? Wrap twine around the neck of each of the jars, then cut 4 15 cm lengths of twine. Attach 1 length of twine to each of the jars to make a hanger. To complete the pumpkin design, tuck the green pipe cleaners into the twine hanger.